All you need now is practice. You will have to change the direct speech into reported speech now, using the clues I'm going to give you. Let's jump right into it. Okay, that should be it. Let's move on to the next episode.